Why, baby?
I don't like. Why are you doing this?
So guys, another day, another vlog. So susunduin ko na yung mga anak ko. And syempre sabi ko nga, kung gusto mo ikaw naman yung sunduin namin. So today, ang gagamitin naman natin is yung nasa kabila naman. Diba? Yan. This bad boy right here. Bang! Yeah. My favorite car. So, push start. It's alive. I had this car since 2014. And I'm thinking if I'll be upgrading it to an AMG na 4-door na Mercedes-Benz na A-Series. Kasi I have so much 2-door, wala akong 4-door, so hindi ko alam. Let's see. Naku, ubos na yung ano natin, Master of Scent. Guys, sa mga di pa nakakabili nito, maniwala kayo sa akin guys, sobrang pango nito sa car o kaya sa bahay nyo. Master of Scent guys. Hi, baby.
Again.
Why?
Again.
Why?
Sorry.
Why, baby?
I don't like. Why are you doing this?
Okay.
My teacher asked me about it in the middle of class.
Anong sabi sa'yo?
But he asked, "Hey, are you the one from TikTok? Your dad? Oh, the silver car."
What did you say? Nakakatuwa talaga kasi maraming tao nang babash sa akin na ba't tinatala ko yung sports car, ganito ganyan. Alam mo, nung bata kasi ako, pangarap ko makakita ng sports car, and ang dami ko nakikita sa kalsada, iba yung ngiti nila na makita nila yung mga sports car na gusto nila. And it brings back memories nung ako nangangarap pa lang na magkaroon ng mga ganito. So alam mo yun, hindi mo matatawa, hindi mo kayang bilhin yung mga ngiti tsaka mga saya nila pag nakakita sila ng mga sports car, tapos maririnig nila yung mga wong wong. Pero sabi ko nga, if you hate what I do, you don't know what I do, diba?
Why are you in front? Can you close it?
How was it?
Good, I met a new friend.
So guys, excited na kami para sunduin kayo sa mga school nyo gamit yung mga sports car natin. Kasama natin sila. Are you guys ready?
Yes, but what if they're far away and we can't pick them up?
Yes. Oo nga pala. Thank you for that, baby. Pag malayo kayo, for example, nasa province kayo o malayo kayo sa kung nasan man kami at nasa Visayas at Mindanao kayo, you will be receiving a cash prize from Didiskit. Okay? So huwag kayong mag-alala. Sumali lang kayo guys kahit nasan party ka pa ng Pilipinas. Pag hindi ka namin nasundo, we will be giving you a cash prize. Okay? Para lang masaya. Okay? So guys, I'll see you in a bit. I'll see you on Wednesday. I-announce namin kung paano ka makakasali. Comment, like, subscribe.